Okay, as I've said earlier, our trainings platform, our homeworks look a little bit different than usual. To do your homeworks, or the assignment, go to hack.redrocket.club. That's our trainings platform, and there you can register. The username you choose really doesn't matter. It's up to you what you want to make it. The email address as well. The email address is only used for if you need to reset your password. So I chose hacker1234. Now I'm registering. Now I can log in, and the first time you're logging in, please make sure to go to Account Change Details. Here you have to input your first name and your last name. As I've mentioned, your username doesn't matter, you can choose that freely. Your username is what other students see as well. The first name and last name only the lecturers see. But it's important that you input it, because otherwise we can't grade your assignment. So I'm gonna input my first name and last name here. As I've said, the lecturers then can see if I actually did the homework. So now I go to courses. There's a course called OS Week 1, Offensive Security Week 1. You can join this course, just click on join. Okay, so on the course outline it tells you how many points you need for the week to pass. In this case 150. It tells you when the course starts, so when you can start seeing the tasks, and when it finishes. This is the deadline. Until then you can submit solutions. Afterwards the tasks are still online, but you won't be able to submit solutions. There's a short description telling you what this week is about. Then you can go to problems. Every problem consists of a website. In the beginning these websites are really small, code snippets, but they will get more complex over time. You can click on Site. Once you have clicked on the site, you'll be guided to a website, and you need to hack this website. You need to find out what kind of vulnerability it might have. You need to exploit this vulnerability to steal a flag from the server, and then once you've received this flag, which is just a character string, you can input it here. It looks something like that, prefixed with flag, and then you can submit it. Once you've submitted it, you get the points for the task. You can click on the scoreboard. One more thing I want to mention: when you submit a flag, you will afterwards be asked to submit a write-up. This write-up can be as short as you want, can be 1 sentence or 2 sentences, or it can just be an exploit script. That's also fine. Yeah, as I've said, there's a scoreboard for every week, so your points will be shown as green if you have reached the threshold, or if you're above the threshold. If you're up for it, you can try to become first place in the scoreboard for the week. You'll get a tiny prize next week if you are on first place. Yeah, the ranking is done primarily on points, so who has the most points, and secondarily it's based on submission time, so who has reached a certain amount of points first. So if you're up for it, you can participate in the scoring, but to pass the week you just need to pass the minimum amount